Hello friends, in the today's video, we will see how to write a logical equations or Boolean expressions in MS Word. So today we will see how to write these overbar equations in MS Word. So let's start the video. To write these types of equation, click on insert, go to equations and here I am writing a plus b. And to write equation like this type overbar equation, select both, go to ascend and select this overbar, right? So to write equations like this, again go to insert, click on equation, again write a plus ec and to view overbar for only for bc, select bc only, go to ascend and select this overbar. Now to select this double overbar, to get this double overbar, select all the equation, go to ascend again and select double overbar. Now, yes, sir, you can see here we have added a single overbar as well as a double overbar also. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.